G Deep Fill Washer Troubleshooting Common Issues. The GE Deep Fill Washer is a reliable appliance. However, like any machine, it can face issues. Below, we discuss the most common problems and their solutions. Washer not filling. A washer that doesn't fill with water can be frustrating. Here are some possible causes. Water supply valves might be turned off. Hoses could be kinked or blocked. Water inlet valve may be faulty. First, check the water supply valves. Ensure they are fully open. Next, inspect the hoses. Straighten any kinks and remove any blockages. If the problem persists, the water inlet valve might need replacing. Washer overfilling. If your washer is overfilling, it can cause a mess. Here are some reasons why this happens. Water level switch might be defective. Pressure hose could be clogged or disconnected. Control board may be malfunctioning. Check the water level switch for any signs of damage. Ensure the pressure hose is free of obstructions and properly connected. If these steps don't help, the control board might need professional attention. Washer not draining. A washer that doesn't drain can be a big problem. Here are some common causes. Drain hose could be clogged or kinked. Pump filter might be blocked. Drain pump could be malfunctioning. First, check the drain hose. Remove any blockages and straighten any kinks. Next, clean the pump filter. If the washer still doesn't drain, the drain pump might need replacing. Issue possible cause solution washer. Not filling water supply valves off. Hoses blocked. Faulty inlet valve open valves clear hoses. Replace inlet valve washer overfilling defective water level switch. Clogged pressure hose. Faulty control board check switch clear hose. Inspect control board washer. Not draining clogged drain hose blocked pump filter. Malfunctioning drain pump clear hose clean filter. Replace pump noted. If you want to know more details, you can visit this website HelloTroubleshooting.com.